My name is SM Bayer. I'm the Technical Director of ETL Systems. We have our headquarters here in Herefordshire. There are about 100 to 110 people working here in Hereford. In addition to our site in Hereford, we have got our R&D center in London, and we have sales offices in US and Dubai. Most of our products go to mission critical applications. These include satellite sectors and terrestrial networks in telecommunication market.
Our specific needs was speed. We needed a machine that could place more components per hour than our current setup. And after seeing the ENEO 2, it met that requirement very easily. It was more than double the speed of our old machine. The speed we achieve with most of our boards is exactly what was predicted by Europlacer. The technical points that favoured Europlacer in our selection was placement speed, accuracy and flexibility. Support has been a key factor for ETL, from installation to operator training. Europlacer have been there to support our process and help it run. Purchasing the ENEO 2 for ETL was future-proofing our process. The ENEO was faster, more accurate than the competition. ETL System recommends Europlacer to anyone that needs a manufacturing solution.